Hey, what's up everyone? So today we're going to be unboxing this MI dual mode wireless mouse silent edition. So this is a wireless mouse from MI, and it comes with the 1300 DPI. So Sealballs, let's open up the box and find out what's great about this mouse and talk about it, and let's get into the unboxing. Okay, so here's the box, pretty simple. MI Dual Mode Wireless Mouse Silent Edition 1300 DPI. Pretty simple box, MI logo, and pretty simple design. Over here we have Bluetooth and the other dongle thingy. So you could use it over Bluetooth or the with the dongles. That's why it's called dual mode. Dual mode connection, just as I said, and Bluetooth 4.2. So Bluetooth low energy 4.2, and the other languages if you're interested to read in. And on the other side, silent operation in other languages, and 1300 DPI. So over here's the model, black, and the materials, ABS and PC, and operating temperature, it's 0 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius, and wireless range up to 8 meters, and the input which is 3 volts and 10 milliamps. So you're gonna want to use some AAA batteries in this, and Bluetooth low energy 4.2. This is the Bluetooth version, RF 2.4 gigahertz, and Bluetooth device name MI Silent Mouse. So if you want to use it with Bluetooth, you want to connect with MI Silent Mouse in the Bluetooth list. So compatibility, it is compatible with Windows 10, Mac OS 10, or Android 6.0 and above. So it's pretty compatible with a lot of stuff. So yeah, USB receiver name MI Dual Mode Wireless Mouse, silent edition receiver. USB receiver model this. Package contains mouse, user manual, USB receiver, and the other details. If you're interested in reading, you can definitely pause the video and look at it. So let's open up the box. Opening up the seal. Here, opening this up, what do we have in here? So here's the mouse, nothing else in the box, so putting that to the side, and here's the mouse itself, and some paperwork, and nothing else. So that's it for that, and this is pretty good and low profile. And how do you open this? Okay, here we go. So this is how you open it, and here's the receiver, and here you wanna insert the batteries, and here's the on off button. So the same thing written over here. So right now I'm gonna use some cells. I got myself AAA alkaline batteries. I'm gonna open up the pack. Why alkaline batteries, you may ask? Because they tend to last much longer. It's not opening it like that, so I'm just gonna ruin the packaging. Okay, so I've got 2 batteries. Check the polarity, make sure not to short that. So minus over here, plus over there, and here. So okay, so in this side you want to use minus over there and plus over here. So this is how you do it, and you want to close this lid, and there you go. And here's the little button. You wanna change the speed of the mouse, and pretty good. Feels pretty good in the hand. Removing this thing, and you just simply plug in this into your computer and use it like that, or you could just connect the Bluetooth and use it whatever is your preference. So here's the paperwork. Nothing much over here. Okay, I should have looked over here, but it doesn't really matter. I've showed you the whole thing, and on off button and the whole removable battery, and you want to use this receiver. And in the computer, if you want to use this mouse with Bluetooth, turn on Bluetooth and find like for 5. Okay, so turn on Bluetooth, press this button for 5 seconds, and you should find MI Silent Mouse and your pair, and then you're good to go. This quick start manual, and if you want to scan for the user guide, and this is the paperwork, and that's pretty much it for the unboxing. I hope you liked this video. If so, then like, share, and subscribe, and click on the notification bell, and I guess I'll see you in the next one. Peace.